Sheba make us a bit sure. Me Tema. Yeah, me what Tema born and bred in Tema. Me did 33 years in Tema. And at Tema for a go on. Yenya bombo clato. Yenyi a home mau. Now where to car? Me can't wait to come from our high pool. No waka ko boy obi range over. Ah? La look why Satoru ga get to say wo. Crofo to say wo. Go machine. Supi hima. Check to check. If you are licky. If you are lick you. If you are fuck you. What was it you to say? If you are lick you, if you are fuck you, what was it you to say? Me say be you chep. If you are be you never be you take when I go tight when I gonna move punch.
Flabbergasted. Adena jimensem obi mfa enkitame na we are sibuna na Tornado, like what's happening na oyoba na oyebema ana so yeden na bema waji e man tokwa afa a ukun sei well first as Neka say ono de oye King Kong wo Ghana we di we hia ni meter ayite powers entimi anya ho hwe o Kennedy Japan entimi anya ne hwe we di bema nkasa na Tornado first as Neka say ono de ono ane oho ye behwe na okoka bema yi a odi ayi ensumade ni chase ni nyoma gugu de tirimu aso ye oba o so ye bema o so ye both obi ndim ye be kwa koduedue mu ni ehu ye se expose bi aba e wo ne camp ye de na yaso ba kwa koto ho no mo ne ya hwe ne ekoso ho no mo guys la hustle enye sa la wu so what's your now hustle there? You see Kwame Eugene, some replica of Kwame Eugene. Look alike of Kwame Eugene, APM war, Kumasi, amateur or both shows this time in your man. You got Nayashe, I didn't see a day in the oil hodoma amana popular. Ghana dear no any packaging also now packaging out to now be me dim down package at on the me package common the womb well we will go into Nigeria and go and take a closer look at our people there. SARS is all over. Everybody is joining the fight to end SARS. Even their president has come out to say they have ended SARS. See, we will go there and see whether it's true say the SARS saga has actually ended. Na oti hono papa ye ogina ho say ono de say ye bebo mpaye na ye de akọ no ahemam ni de on de da bi maase eno de obeyi no de akosoro ahemam ye ba koduedue mu ni ehu se den na wo ye e wo hono mu nti a oba be gina hono mu na obeyi na se na yahwe ne ahwe ne ekoso wo hono mu. Guys, welcome to another edition of What They Happen. You know how we do what they happen for your day. Charlie, what they happen in Campadoso. Charlie, let's run into the stories. Let's go. Welcome to another edition of What They Happen. Abi, you know that the Controversies is back with a bang. Guys, this edition is dedicated to women. This is the breast cancer awareness week. And to say no, we are bana to say uni power honoma. Say oman susum, oman is squeezy, oman grabby, oman fact politi. So one man fact politi now breast cancer and bemudia and wala or wala. So unsu a windy bino. Now the beba what the happen studios say na yasu mama. Yedi wa hanomo. But need your on on the worry to the other bar. Bibia mo dem fam remi. Mesu so me make sure say I'll help a sister out so that breast cancer no nye be me pacho. Enti wo ne oboy ohodoma jai bibia gu no so. Mon feel you. Mon squeeze you. Mon faculate you. What you say? Okay guys, let's run into the stories. Now, Nana Tornado say ono de a man to kwano bekon. Ono de che say a first was nigga any Mesbon to kwano wajiafa. They say in Tokwano Waja and India. And maybe a chum to see or cancer or cancer some or baby a show amateur say or Nino Ako have a one night stand because it's an awareness week and then anything that belittles woman and anything that has to do with insults of our dear women we will not tolerate it on the show. And you say or no baby a one night stand. Once or say Afia Schwarzenegger aba tema so social media when who am the video ni be show wa tema na wakako on say I'll say when you sika into at least the audience and answer the fans and work on. Or say she actually wants to give back to the community. Now the story is that when she went to the community, the Tornado claims say Obani fee and also small big corn home could pictures be the fee pictures. Emma ni ye ama no wampe inti Nana Tornado oba na hwe bia na menka oba bema ode ensumade ode in chains ode na Afia Schwarzenegger un okopento kwa papa we say na okopento kwa se girl se boy se woman se man enti Nana Tornado se on dey o magaba che se maybe Afia Schwarzenegger be fa bia no obetwa na dapa enti we dey muntie story no muntie
yeah like that. Why be bank for power be area say be to show me few pictures. Na me fear no buy there ball car. And now buy there you be nsuo. Me ma me say me catch you say. O catch you say na ka o banka. You be nie sisi bedrooms ni nya, ani nie si ho nya. Na kwa be twa no pictures na hu nya. What do we me go ase? If you be my 24 hours. Say the ultimate for buy be twa me papa fie no. Me japade na me papa ball bra no. Na kwa ka say you ferry. If you know we try na your ferry. Who papa na we di 82 years. Not say one group wa ton so no. Me ma 24 hours so bra. Na twa papa fie e japade owo. Na fa be to social media no bi anse. E no pera bibi sa. Say the onya akokoduo no. Now ba me area ho. Now say den. O say den over me area ho say.
Donation.
O say like cat here. Miss Well, please come and do my hair for me.
Now, how Nana Tornado or Afia Schwarzenegger, anyhow the controversies and then the feud and the fight. Sometimes I get worried because I know Miss Bell no. She should be careful because Nana Tornado is not somebody to actually depend on. He can just flip like that and then her topic will be next. But well, that's the issue. Now the feud is still going. The feud is still ongoing. Yedi wahanomo. Bibie ni a yedi asumbe ebeta honomo. Yebe pensem na de ni aka no abrel. Okay guys, to move on to another story. Guys, medical say la hazulo nyesa la wu. What Ghana no anye package na. Wa hozela ene na wala e kom na bedi weku. Ento de entina won medim. Na enko hozo netina ho. Come the bekum. Well, Kwame Eugene look alike APM wo Kumase. The story is that say you know these musicians maybe are functions, maybe are engagement and stuff. Na say enkofo hu no minim say omo fi say Kwame Eugene American for say Kwame Eugene say den yo na say say dabre se functions and a guy no so wa targeti embrewa any embrewa ne friends and kokora omutimi differentiate between a real Kwame Eugene and a look-alike Kwame Eugene and not one of them functions be a you engagement to know where di no or be call no on there wakosa na say the small shop never manager when you be a didi ni na packaging o tigana na wa anye smart am package a Charlie, hustle. I just allow mumi a video that also. Kwame Eugene no Kwame Eugene look alike when me ade we me hwe because smartness o use na adwen ne hia ne se obeye adepa say if it's entertainment say he will come and then entertain people there. We are all for it. I mean, he's being creative, he's being ingenious. Why? He looks like Kwame Eugene. Probably say me Kwame Eugene. I might have done the same thing. And ti mu amuti me say mo hwe obi ohono semia. Onko gina ono nye what they happen. Now let's move on to the next story. Now guys, if you've heard over a month there have been killings, police brutalities and stuff in Nigeria, and a lot of our celebrities have joined hands to actually help eradicate SARS. Now, SARS is, if you don't know the story, SARS is actually a branch of the police force. SARS, in its originality, is a good thing, okay? But the police brutality, the way police have taken the laws into their hands and brutalizing people. For Christ's sake, somebody is seen using an iPhone, and then people, they assume, say, or armed robber, or a gang related. Like, how do you even kill somebody on the basis of the person using an iPhone? It just doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense. A lot of celebrities have joined the campaign, Kanye West, a lot of celebrities, P Square, even Ghana man, Krampo, Shatawale Krampo, released this song to help stop the SARS attack. President Buhari out on Twitter to come and disclose or to come and deliver a speech publicly, say he's going to end SARS. Okay, so we are all looking forward to it. Say this brutality must end. For me, say me jina onom na mato me iPhone. Say na me manim ye hui. Bigita me iPhone 11 Pro. Now hwe manim na hu say o kase because my body ni say na manim tiri say me be a ganga. And you shoot me, you've done nothing. We've done nothing. So we are all praying and hoping, say, the president's address would actually take effect. We know Africa, the gang would actually stop, and then we'll have peace restored in Nigeria. President, to
say a word on the recent genuine concerns and agitations by Nigerians about the excessive use of force and in some cases extrajudicial killings and wrongful conduct by men of the Nigerian police force. The disbanding of SARS is only the first step in our commitment to extensive police reform in order to ensure that the primary duty of the police and other law enforcement agencies remains the protection of lives and livelihoods of our people. We will also ensure that all those responsible for misconduct or wrongful acts are brought to justice. We also deeply regret the loss of life of the young man in Oyo State during the recent demonstrations. I have directed that the circumstances of his death should be thoroughly investigated.
Going on to the next story, sa papa ye ojina hui your friend no pastor chese ono de pastors for pe omo boy ho ban omo bon pae mame omo restore your faith to get closer to God no ono de ne say ma ya ase ene obi yi na odi akọ osoro ahimemu na me pacho say last 2 days if you are on social media unhu say papa yi ma bi mu akọhodo ma che say odi blade we crampo enye efenisen enye scissors na ana enye razor na eye efenisen abrofo de white ni bi o abrofo de blue no enye bia we yan won ye local razor no sa nia ano shiny no eno na wa tuwe no the blade ashim and then your bar na wa ba on name na ne ode ahye ho na minim se no no a o yi no se den de beba no se no a o yi no de den de bema no but well the story is that na or say a movie no shooty or say enye say bia sa not here na a movie no shooty but you see the public outcry and then the public distaste about this sort of behavior go a long way to prove say Ghana we are now at least say nye all crampa at least ya duan be fie kakra ba me ade a oyi it wouldn't nyemi hu say obi eba ko gina ho ye ma me no ma ni bi betimi akogina ho no say only just because say bia our promise say bia bibi ba wo abrabom just some akogina ho say only but well that's the issue and he says a documentary and a film oji na ode akyere ankofo say ade we say no enye ade a say nipa ye fake pastors adoso enje say wonim say bibi say koso go ba bia say na be ya ankofo obe create awareness ama ba ho na yenyina yehu say enye ampa. But be that as it may, I know says ampa there will be some people, some women who will actually patronize this and go there and stand there say na be a day yebeyi omayase ama just because ya promise you say we are ubenya say. And guys, say if you know you are doing that, and if you know say you are the sort of people who would actually go there and then patronize these sort of pastors and who here just have a little faith and you who here. Okay guys, so if you enjoy these stories, click here to subscribe to my my channel. If you are at it, kindly click on the subscription button to get daily notification from me. Thank you so much. And when you say a prayer, say one for me. We are back with the bank, as I always say. What they happen?